Hey, what's up? Welcome to Texas Basher RC. Alright, so I'm going to get this stuff put on. We got my servo, an aluminum mount and a horn, and then a brass steering link. We got our trio wheel weights, some high links, the light kit, and the metal drive shafts here, along with, of course, these wheels that I finally got finished up. So many dang screws on these things, but I think they turned out great. Love the way they look. We'll see how I like it going with no foams for now. Took those out. That's how I used to do it on my SCX24 and I liked it, but we'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll get just a different style foam or something and try that. Right now it has no foams, but whoever had it before, they vented them. So I like the way it crawls with the no foams, but I'm adding a lot of weight to it, so I don't know how that's gonna do. But yeah, I'm gonna get these thrown in. Nice. Well, I got the drive shafts in Jora. They can only go one direction. Something to note. One end has a circle with one side cut off of it. The other end has a circle with two sides cut off of it. So only one of them, the single side cut, will go towards the inside, and the double goes to the outside. So far so good. Got the rear done. That looks pretty awesome. I like that blue. I don't know how I like, it basically makes the drive shaft vulnerable. The old ones, at least they kind of help protect it a little. I don't know how I like that. So really, like, what's the point of the high lift? But maybe they're on backwards. I don't know. I really don't. This is how it was in the picture online when I looked from the ad that I bought it from, but who knows if those are wrong too. So yeah, I'm just gonna throw the front ones on and then we'll be done with that part. Alright, so I got all the links on. Those turned out looking pretty killer. Can't wait to see it with these blue rims on there. Gonna look sweet. I'm also in the process of doing a servo because the upper links are tied to the servo bracket. So I got this other bracket off. I'm gonna get this aluminum one thrown on somehow. Get this servo set up real quick. So I'm gonna try and do that, and then we'll be done. Also, I guess I need to put this on real quick. So something I learned later, you need to use these two little brass spacers you can see on the bottom of the screen, otherwise your servo will hit the linkages. Got all the aluminum links on it. Got that Jora steering linkage and that servo on there. Looking good. All that mount, everything fresh up there. Mounting these wheel weights that I have. So these are from an SCX24, and you can see there I actually had to drill them out a little bit because the axle shaft is slightly bigger on here. So the front is fine, but there's a step up right here on the axle shaft, so I drilled them out a tad bit and they fit perfect now. So we'll get those put on, and then these wheel locks that I had from the old wheel spacers here will work just fine with them. So I want to get the battery tray put on, get these put on, get my wheels on there, and then I think I'm done with it for today. Man, would you just look at that? That looks so good. A little dirt on the tires, but man, oh man, all that blue and black looks awesome. That Endura, it's got a little more weight to it now. Heck yeah. Let's clip this body on and see how it looks. Look at that. Thing looks awesome. There we go. Wouldn't clip down all the way. Now looking good, looking good. Yo, what's up? So I'm out here in the yard today. Got the crawler, got my new parts put on it. You seen that? I'm gonna give it a try. I just threw some rocks together here in the yard. Well, overall, I feel like it did very well. I'm happy with the way the tires are. They have a little give, so I kind of like that. They got some stick to them, but they got real dirty on that round, so didn't do that well, but turned out really great. Everything held up nicely under here. I feel like some things, you know, I could see where portals could be nice. I was hitting the diff quite a bit during that. You could tell that these being up high, they got scratched up real good there. But the drive shaft, and it's nice that I went with the metal one, but you could tell that if you got hung up on a rock right here and you're driving, that drive shaft is kind of bumping, and I'm sure it's not good for it, but in a way it helps you bump off of a rock, you know. I mean, they hang down quite a bit there, but I'll say it performed very well. Extremely happy with it. Definitely like it better than the 24 scale. So yeah, I'm gonna clean it up, get all the dirt off of it, and we'll probably do some more upgrades to it. So yeah, that'll be the next video though.